wonder if Sister Hyacinth go wear the same hat. But I don't want to show off my arm them, you know. Natalie, you go watch night service?
No.
What? Ungrateful. This, you better go to church, go thank the Lord for see you through the year. But what is this? Ungrateful. I don't know about this generation. Then Natalie, where you go?
Somebody's house.
Somebody else. If you go to the house of God, watch night service. Praise the Lord. This not fit right for me head, man. And if you talk to your mother, come talk to you because you go to watch night service. I don't know who for house you go to.
My friend.
Your friend. If your friend is your friend, you would tell you go to church, watch night service. There's not a friend like the lowly Jesus. No, not one. No, not one. After all, if you go and watch night, this can't wear. This look better.